And many people understand that, you know, when the temperatures are like this, you need to make an adjustment.
Yeah, in fact, but some people, though, see it a little differently, believe it or not, like the governor of Kentucky. Take a listen to what he said during a radio interview about this cold weather.
Well, now we cancel school for cold. I mean,
okay, it's deep freeze. This is serious business.
It is. Come on now. I mean, there's no ice going with it or any snow. I mean, what happens to America? We're getting soft, Terry. We're getting soft.
Governor Matt Bevin needs to look at and listen to Angela Buckman's forecast and all the tips because it's cold. Now, listen to this. Today's show meteorologist Al Roker didn't like what the governor had to say either.
Yeah, he's like, soft? I don't think so. Here's what Al said on MSNBC.
And by the way, I just have to say, this nitwit governor in Kentucky saying that, oh, we're weak. These are kids who are going to be in sub-zero wind chills. No. Cancel school. Stop it. You know, adults, if they want to be out there, that's great. These are our children, you know. I'm glad you're not a teacher.
All right, Al Roker, they're keeping it real.